Next, we have atom, element, and compound and molecule. So starting with atom, the next smallest thing. An atom or atoms are basically the building blocks of all matter. So you can think of them kind of like the brickwork that makes up everything. Now, when we have a bunch of atoms floating around, they can associate in different ways. So if two or more of the same atoms combine, meaning we have a homoatomic combination, homo meaning same, atomic meaning atom. So if we have two or more of the same type of atoms combining, such as two carbon atoms, they form what we call molecules. And same molecules can combine, such as a bunch of carbon molecules, can combine to form elements. Now, a key component of elements is that they cannot be broken down by chemical reactions. Now, if two or more of different types of atoms combine, meaning we have a heteroatomic combination, hetero meaning different and atomic meaning atom. So if we have two or more different types of atoms combining, they also form molecules. But when these molecules combine, we call these compounds, right? So let's say we have three different atoms, such as carbon, oxygen, and hydrogen. They are all molecules, right? They can form carbon dioxide molecules, water molecules. But when these combine, we call them compounds. And compounds can be broken down into elements, right? Because they're made up of different things. An element is when you have all of the same kind of atom interacting. So, drawn out differently, a single atom is, well, an atom, right? Like this hydrogen atom. And combine atoms together, you get a molecule. So up top we have a hydrogen molecule, and down below we have water, right? Two hydrogens, one oxygen, H2O. Now combining molecules made up of the same atoms together, you get an element. Combining molecules made up of different atoms together, you get a compound, okay? Now, one important thing to note, though, is compounds are not just random elements all put together. Compounds are made up of the same molecules. So, in this case, we have water molecules all bound together to make this compound of water, okay? But the atoms that go into the molecules are not all the same, right? So we have oxygen and hydrogen atoms. Oxygen's different from hydrogen, but they make up that water molecule. And so the only things in this water compound are all water molecules. Make sense?